Brampton, third round of the British Championship. Third round. Qualifying went real good, 5th place, so pumped with that. It's the highest I've ever come. Track's in awesome condition. JDH has done an awesome job redoing it and some nice jumps in, so it's all going to go good.
She said good night, Lenore, Lenore. She said, whoa. She's gone away. Are we okay? Well, feeling brave. She was smarter than me, Lenore, Lenore. What she had to feed, Lenore, Lenore. What was on the weed, Lenore, Lenore. Getting out of arms at me, Lenore, Lenore. She said, whoa. She's gone away.
Yeah, qualifying was alright. I was 6th. I wish I could have done a bit better, but there were a lot of good guys up in there, and we were all really close. And then first race, got off to a really good start. Got up in 3rd. Thought I was going forward pretty good, and then just got hit with a really gnarly arm pump, and yeah, went backwards a bit, back to 8th. And then second race, I got up to a really good start. And then in the second turn, someone hit me from behind and got ran over by like 6 people. And yeah, I was pretty far back, like last by like about 40 seconds. No, about 20 actually. But yeah, I came up through the pack good to 8th, and I was 8th overall, and now 8th in the championship. So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty bad but good day at the same time. I guess I'm safe and live to ride another day.